Add milk and butter to your chicken fillet and be amazed by the result. We start with 350 grams of chicken fillets, cut into cubes, like this. Transfer to a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of flour. Stir until the chicken is well coated. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and melt over medium heat. Then, add the chicken fillets to the pan and let them fry for 2 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Add the chopped garlic to the pan, mixing well with the chicken and butter. Now, add 150 milliliters of milk to the pan, partially covering the chicken fillets. Season to taste with salt, black pepper, basil, and paprika. Reduce the heat and let it cook until the sauce thickens slightly and the chicken is fully cooked. And of course, we'll add grated Parmesan. A little more basil, but this is to taste. Let it cook for another 3 minutes. And it's ready! A delicious chicken fillet with milk and butter, perfect for any occasion. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more ideas like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.